Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Pinchat, a tool that claims to engage with customers instantly via link or QR codes. Pinchat is a business messenger with built-in customer engagement features that lets you chat and share surveys via link or QR codes. It's an alternative to Intercom, and the deal is divided like that. You're gonna get all the features of the advanced plan, and depending on the number of tiers you're gonna buy it. So buy 1, 2, or 3, you're gonna get more monthly active users, and also more sub accounts if you want to work with other brands, etc. If you get tier 2, you get 5k monthly active account and 5 sub accounts. Tier 1, no sub accounts. And you go up to tier 5, where you get 70,000 monthly active users and 50 sub. Okay, so let's take a look at the Pinchat. When you just go to the dashboard, you're gonna get this onboarding, and then you can select your custom color, or you can add your own color here to fit with your brand. Then you have some different theme colors, but you can also change here in the way you want to fit like your brand. You can also choose an image to the background, or choose the color of your background being the white as a default. So, and then when you go next, you have the instruction to add your titles here. So you can add your Instagram, your Twitter, GitHub, etc. And you can see here that they will show up. Check out our social media on your chat. Then you're going to choose your avatar. Okay, so which kind of avatar you want to use. Or you can also add your own image here. You can choose your chat room theme as well. You can see it's changed the color here. And you can see that you can fully customize the color to fit your branding. So your Pinchat is ready. You click here to copy the link of your Pinchat, and you are ready to go. And let's see the features we have. First, you're gonna get those language to the dashboard. French, those Oriental language, I think Spanish here, Chinese is here as well, and English. On my account, you can see that you can change your name, your avatar as well. You can select to receive email notification or phone numbers notifications as well. The tool is pretty simple. You can create new links, okay, with different avatar, display name, and chat room names. And those links can be a chat link, so a group will chat, or a direct link when you will do a 1-on-1 private chat. With the link, look what happens here. You can see that we set up everything like less than 5 minutes. So here is a Pinchat open, okay? You can see here on the right that you can export the chat log, select notification, or sign up to claim the chat. Here you're gonna, your customer or your group will chat. So hello, you can add stickers on your chat, you can see here. I'm gonna add another sticker here, okay? You can record your voice here. You can record everything here on the right. You click to record it, and it will show up on the chat as well. You can also add a location. You can send your location to people on the chat. You can also send files, images. I'm going to see here if it's possible to add videos. So it's also possible to send videos on the chat, as you're seeing here on the right. On the chat, you have the possibility as well to add emojis. So that's Pinchat. You receive a link, and with the link, you will start a chat. The chat can be a one-on-one conversation or a group conversation. It's pretty, I think, convenient to have a chat with this kind of tool, because it's like plug, you can set up a different chat in a minute. Okay, here's the main dashboard where you can check also the social media, and you can go to the chat room. So here they are also explaining how it works. You can scan your QR codes or send the link, and your chat will appear in the browser. And as showing up in the browser, just start chatting. Use a link or a QR code to start a chat. This can be a group chat or a one-on-one chat. And how you create a new chat or how you see your chat rooms, just came here to my links and you click here, new link, can create a direct or a group chat, and you can change also the avatar. If you created a chat, you can go here to change again the configuration of your chat. You can see the preview also. Okay, those are the language. You can change to your language here as well. Okay, so it's potentially multi-language because you can manually change the features here. You can fully customize everything here on the welcome page of your chat. On your chat settings, again, the same configurations. You can change the message, you can manually add the kind of message that you want, so it's potentially multi-language. You can use a JavaScript to add a chat widget on your website. It's a pretty interesting feature. For instance, for a lesson, on your LMS, on your blog, you can add a chat. So it's pretty cool. Just with a line of a code, you can add the JavaScript code for chat widgets on your website. You can also create surveys that will be displayed on the chat. Again, here is where you can add sub-accounts. And you have also the possibility to create chatbots. You can create a flow for your chatbot here. The chatbot can be activated when someone joins the chat or when someone enters some kind of password. And here is where you can add the flow of your chat, of your chatbots. So text and image message, button template message, and carousel template message. So you can have a chat page only with a chatbot that will be displayed when people join. What I think about that tool, also they have some integrations here. Okay, a line official account manager. I don't know what is it, but the kind of integration they have here. But what I think that it's a different tool. It's a different chatbot tool because it's a chat plus a bot. You have the possibility to create many chats, talk with customers. You can embed that chat on your website. It will expand in that way your use case. And also you can create a bot to fully interact with your customers, your leads, etc., on your website or on your whole chat. If you want a tool like that, I can see potentially many use cases for an LMS to make the lessons more interactive. I think it's a pretty good deal. I like the dashboard. I like the user interface. It's pretty easy to understand and it's ready to go. You just plug that tool and you play. I hope you like that review. Remember to click on the link in the description to take a look at the deal and help me to keep going. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.